Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So I took some of your criticism to heart and I did a Dawn deal because a lot of you were saying that the Dawn, the smaller ones, are kind of wimpy. So we're going to go just into a straight Dawn deal, looking at a pretty good deal to get these for $2. And then the BOGO free complete home candles. Okay, so hopping right into this, with the Dawn deal, you're going to need this booster. So hopefully you didn't spend it and you still have it in your digital coupons folder. This is of a one-time use as well. I'm going to recommend to do this as a curbside because you have a lot more control doing this as a curbside than doing this in store. However, you can still do it in store, and I'm going to show you how here in a quick second. Sorry, it's a little bit confusing here off the top. So there's a lot of Dawn products, Dawn dish soap, that have this, which is spend 20, earn back 5. This is online only. However, in store, there's a register reward that's printing as well when you buy 4 qualifying products. So, you need to find the products that are tagged. That is the problem. And I know that a lot of stores might not have it tagged, but off the top of my head, I think the much larger Dawn, like the Big Mama and the Power Wash, are part of this. But you might have to really, I don't know, guys. You're going to really have to be on your A game to look for these tags. And I know that's a tall order. Thus, sometimes curbside is a bit more advantageous for you. Now, when you also are on your way to see that your order's been fulfilled, if you get a cancellation or if they're like, oh, sorry, half of this isn't in stock, cancel your order because you need the full 25 to appear to earn the booster and then the spend 20, get back 5. Hopefully we're on the same page. But as you can see, guys, a whole bunch of dish soaps, and a lot of them with the app, you can see the spend 20, earn back 5. So it's very easy to be like, I want this, I want this, I want that, It's just a little bit more control. And that tagging will be a tall order to find in store, but, try and make something happen if you are a huge Dawn fan. So we're going to obviously grab in our basket one of the power washes, and we have this digital coupon that was available to clip, I think, at the end of May. I still haven't used mine, so I still have it in my handy dandy coupons folder. So if you have it as well and you want to throw it into this deal, make it happen. So looking at my overall basket, guys, I have a smaller Dawn dish soap for $2.99. That is a 19.5 ouncer. We have one Dawn power wash for $4.99, and then 3 of the Big Mamas, which is the 38 ounces, and they are priced at $5.89. And a lot of you were saying, that's the one that I always get, not that little wimpy one. So this one's for you guys. Okay, friends, so throwing all of that Dawn into this basket is $25.65. My curbside pickup is free. I drive to the store, go to the photo counter, and say, hi, it's Jane Smith. And then they're like, oh, Mrs. Smith, here's your stuff. And it's always perfect. We have a little bit of tax, and we have that $2 coupon coming off for the power wash. Sorry, this is a huge balance, but $25.19. Pay that with your debit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash, and you're getting back $15.25 back in Walgreens cash. 10 for the booster, and then 5 for spending 20 on Dawn this week. So that is really fantastic. It's like you're paying $10 for the 5 products. So it's $2 per Dawn. A lot of you are going to say that's a fantastic price point, and some of you are like, but how often do we get a big basket of Dawn for $10? Very rarely, barely over at Walgreens. To answer another quick question, if you're going to try this in store and you want to throw in these little guys, I don't believe this is part of the buy 4, get a $5 register reward. If it was, a lot of people would be showing that in hauls and it would be all over the internet. So I think because this is with a register reward this week of buy 2, get a $1 register reward, that it will not be part of it. Just a word to the wise. Okay, so the next deal that we have, guys, is with the Complete Home, which is a Walgreens brand candle, and it's the 18 ounces, which are the massive ones. They are on a promotion of buy one, get one free, and special shout out to Aaron, another Michigan couponer who pointed this deal out to me yesterday. And you can do this deal either in store or online, like a curbside pickup or in store. I think in store is a bit more advantageous. Here's why, my friends. A lot of these Complete Home candles are on clearance, and they're also bringing up BOGO free. So if you can just see what your store may have tagged with these stickers, you possibly could get quite a few candles on the cheap. Alternatively, if your store is not, like there's nothing on clearance, what I would do is grab 4 of them for $21.98, you're going to get 2 for free. I would throw in $20 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.98 for the 4 candles. They are massive and just a really great value. I would try to go in store to find those wonderful orange tags, and if they're ringing up BOGO free for you, it's like you're getting them for $2.49 per, which is really good. Been very disappointed with the Bath & Body Works clearance event or semi-annual sale. I noticed this morning in the My Bath & Body Works app, there's a 20% off coupon in store only. You might want to check that out. And that's the first coupon I've seen in weeks. You would think if they want a lot of people in the store, they would offer more of these, but I haven't seen it myself. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.